11 years ago. I was a 15-year-old high school student, didn't really know how social media really worked, was just posting recklessly, and I fell victim to the negative impacts of social media. And one of the biggest things at the time I did not realize was that I was treating it as another person. I was giving it a human identity in the online space, which at that time was considered a taboo conversation, out of the box thinking, and definitely something that wasn't even heard of and wasn't even talked about by even the major corporations. So, me being a words type guy, knowing that wording is key, I said, well, there's social media and there's awareness, but there's no social media awareness. So who's doing it? So I did some research and I found out that no one was doing it. So I ended up in 2010, 2012, starting what I call the social networking effect. And the social networking effect was to highlight how bullying was happening online. And I realized that with this bullying online, it targeted the mental health aspect. And for those in physical form or in person, were being attacked physically, which as I was myself. So I was basically merging the two with social media awareness to address those issues that weren't being talked about in public high schools here in the United States. And it turned out that I was the first to do it. Did not realize what I was stepping into and how big this actually was until I went to college. And it wasn't until I went to college is where they said, John, you're the pioneer of social media awareness. And, what are you going to do next? And it was, I believe it was February 1st, 2015. I went on Tallahassee TV 20. And if you look at that video, still online, it says the social networking effect. And I mentioned that we reached 20 countries. This was like the first year of me doing this. And we were able to reach all these different types of people from all over the world that had the same type of experience. So I said, if the social networking effect could reach millions globally, what could social media awareness do as an actual movement? And that's how it started.